Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, wind. Tornado emergency for Wiltshire and Wiltshire Valley. The National Weather Service in Hazelton has issued a tornado warning for Wadena County in north-central Keysota until 10:45 p.m. At 9:33 p.m., a large and destructive tornado was located near Wiltshire, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for Wiltshire and Wiltshire Valley. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard, deadly tornado. Source, weather spotters confirm tornado. At 9:31 p.m., a Doppler on-road recorded a wind gust to 196 miles per hour within the tornado. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Wiltshire, Wiltshire Valley, and Hazelton. Repeating, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Heavy rainfall may hide this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado.
Triplet is continuing to tighten as it passes closer to the radar. We've got a live feed from Connor Abrams again. Connor, can you hear me?
Loud and clear, Dave. I have a visual on this thing, and it's absolutely enormous. I'm seeing power flashes all over the place. Some of them are so far away that they may actually be lightning discharges. It's dark enough that I can't see any debris, but I know for sure there is a ton of it in the air.
Are you able to estimate how large the visible funnel is?
No, I can only see the left edge of it from my view. I had a Doppler on wheels next to me a few minutes ago, and they recorded winds almost to 200 miles per hour in a region at least half a mile wide. It's definitely rough, but by how much I cannot tell.
You heard Connor, folks. This thing is large and it means
Goodness
business.
gracious, there's debris starting to rain down on my truck.
Oh dear
I'm
Lord.
glad I decided to get inside to avoid hail, because there's what looks like wood and
Connor,
steel flying
I'm
around
sorry,
me.
but I need you to pause for a moment. The tornado is passing just to the west of our studio at this moment, so we could go off the air here at any time. Again, those of you